Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 4th, 2024, and we're diving into Revvity's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Revvity's performance today.
Revvity has just released their Q3 2024 financial results, showing a revenue of $684 million and a GAAP EPS of 0.77 cents. Let's break down these numbers and what they mean for the company. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Revvity reported a net revenue of $684 million for the third quarter, which is a 2% increase from the same period last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is modest but steady, with both reported and organic growth at 2%. This indicates that Revvity is maintaining its market position despite economic fluctuations. The GAAP EPS of 77 cents is a significant improvement from 2.8 last year, reflecting better cost management and operational efficiencies.
And what about the adjusted EPS?
The adjusted EPS from continuing operations came in at $1.28, up from $1.18 last year. This improvement is driven by strong operational performance and margin expansion, with the adjusted operating profit margin increasing to 28.3% from 27.5%.
Segment performance. Revvity operates in two main segments, life sciences and diagnostics. How did each perform this quarter?
The life sciences segment saw a slight decline in revenue, down 2% to $301 million, with an organic decrease of 3%. However, the diagnostics segment performed well, with revenue increasing by 6% to $383 million and an organic growth of 5%. The diagnostics segment also improved its operating margin to 26.5% from 22.5% last year.
What does this tell us about Revvity's strategic focus?
It suggests that while life sciences is facing some challenges, diagnostics is a strong growth driver for Revvity. The company is likely focusing on expanding its diagnostics capabilities to capitalize on this momentum.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Revvity has announced a new $1 billion share repurchase program. What impact could this have on the company?
This is a significant move that signals confidence in the company's future prospects. Share repurchases can enhance shareholder value by reducing the number of shares outstanding, potentially increasing EPS and supporting the stock price.
And looking ahead, what guidance has Revvity provided?
Revvity has updated its full-year revenue guidance to $2.75 to $2.77 billion, reflecting recent currency fluctuations. They've also raised their adjusted EPS guidance to $4.83 to $4.87, indicating strong confidence in their operational performance. Additionally, the upcoming Investor Day on November 21st will be an opportunity for Revvity to outline its strategic vision and growth plans.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive outlook, what risks should investors be aware of?
Revvity faces several challenges, including competitive pressure and economic fluctuations that could impact performance. The company has projected organic growth of just 0 to 1% for the full year, which is relatively modest. They will need to continue making operational adjustments to navigate these challenges effectively.
How should investors interpret these risks?
Investors should keep an eye on how Revvity manages these risks, particularly in terms of innovation and market expansion. The company's ability to adapt and execute its strategic initiatives will be crucial for sustaining growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Revvity has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2024 with revenue growth, improved profitability, and strategic initiatives like the $1 billion share repurchase program. The diagnostics segment continues to be a strong performer, contributing significantly to the company's growth.
Indeed, Revvity's focus on operational efficiency and strategic investments is paying off. However, investors should remain vigilant about the potential risks and the company's ability to sustain its growth trajectory.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Revvity's performance in the comments below.